Clients normally contact us when they want input, advice on their strategy. Their challenge is they're building up a new strategy, they want to have a new way of going to market. They realize that cost cutting and efficiency improvements are very important, but that doesn't really move the needle. That just means that they stay in the game. That doesn't mean that they're playing to win. For clients that want to play to win, they're going to be passionately focused on their customers, but they don't have that muscle. They don't know how to do that. They make great products, great services, they have great legacies, but they've kind of lost their edge on being intimate with customers, and they don't know how to build that up again.
Right. And a lot of these clients, the same people who are formulating strategy and driving that strategy across the organization, also very frequently realize that they have to run the business at the same time. And that's a challenge, that's a real challenge. How do you run the business and prepare the organization for 1 to 5 years down the road? And that's when the call comes to us to say that, look guys, we need you to come in, have a look at the business, tell us what's going right, what could be improved, tell us where the market is heading, tell us what customers are asking for. Help us to meet those needs and draw the overall strategy whilst my team is running the business.